Hello, listeners, and welcome to Siam Center Law Group podcast. When unexpected events occur, such as being assaulted, defamed, or seriously injured in an accident, many people may feel confused about what happens next after filing a police report. In today's episode, we'll walk you through 5 essential steps in the Thai criminal justice process, from the moment you report a crime to the point of prosecution. This will help you understand your rights and prepare yourself with confidence. Step 1. Filing a police report. The process begins when the victim reports the incident to the police. You will need to clearly provide the details such as the date, time, location, and what happened. Filing the report is the first crucial step in starting a criminal case. Step 2. Investigation and evidence collection. After receiving the report, the police begin their investigation. They collect relevant evidence such as CCTV footage, fingerprints, witness statements, and physical evidence to uncover the facts of the case. Step 3. Interrogation and forensic examination. The investigation officer, IO, will question the victim, witnesses, and, if identified, the alleged offender. They may issue a summons or an arrest warrant and send evidence for forensic examination, such as blood or DNA testing. Step 4. Reviewing the case file. Once all the evidence is gathered, the police review the case file to ensure it is complete and ready to be submitted to the public prosecutor. Step 5. Submitting the case to the prosecutor. If the investigation is deemed sufficient, the police will forward the case file to the prosecutor, who will decide whether to proceed with formal criminal charges in court. Additional note: in some cases, such as defamation or minor assault, the police may offer a chance for mediation between the parties. If a settlement is reached, the case may be closed without going to court. However, if mediation fails or the case involves a serious criminal offense that cannot be settled, the case will proceed to prosecution as normal. To summarize, here are the 5 key steps in criminal prosecution in Thailand. Filing a police report, investigation and evidence collection, interrogation and forensic examination, reviewing the case file, submitting the case to the prosecutor. If you're facing a criminal matter and need legal assistance in Thailand, don't hesitate to contact Siam Center Law Group. Visit us at www.siamcenterlaw.com for professional legal advice you can trust. Thank you for tuning in to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. See you in the next episode.